Welcome to Kiotari, and this is the part 2 of Kiotari mini tour. So if you didn't watch the first video, then go and check it out. And we are going around Kiotari. You are driving because I will put you in the front seat and I do the talking. So let's go and see where are the hotels, what is the surrounding, where are the best spots, restaurants, shopping areas, and so on. So let's go. So this video, our starting point is in front of Rhodos Mitsis Maris Hotel, and also we have Princess Sun Hotel and Spa here, which is closed at the moment because it's March and they open for the season. So it's about 200 meters up the hill, and this is also one of the most popular hotels here in Kiotari. So let's take a look. Let's hop onto the scooter and see what's here. So in front of Rhodos Mitsis Maris, there is a supermarket area or souvenir shop area where you can buy all kind of souvenirs. And here is also a discount supermarket that they open during the summer season. So it's a good way to buy some souvenirs and also beer and food and everything like that. Here we have a Eurobank ATM, which is a great ATM if you don't want to pay a lot of fees. I think it's 1.8 euros per transaction to take out cash. So always use Greek banks to take out cash, otherwise you pay a lot of fees. So we have some restaurants, cafes here, pharmacy, Grey Cafe, and some souvenir shops. Up the hill you can rent a car from Marathon, a few more souvenir shops, so plenty of things to see here and lots of shopping areas. So let's go down the hill and see where the beach is and also some restaurants. Keep in mind that it's March at the moment and everyone is fixing their hotels and cleaning up, so it may seem a little bit mess, and also the beaches are not the cleanest at the moment because during winter time we have lots of storms and waves that bring all the trash to beaches, but they are cleaned up when the season starts. The first restaurant here is Il Ponte restaurant, so if you want to come out hotel and eat local food, then this is the place. It's near beach, so on the right hand we have Rhodos Princess Beach Resort and Spa, and here we have the main beach in Kiotari. I wanted to say that all the beaches in Kiotari are mostly pebbly beaches. So Kiotari is place if you want some quiet and mostly hotel vacation, if we can say so. But I will tell everyone to go outside and eat local food and look around also, because sitting on a hotel, in the hotel is nice near the pool, but we have a sea here, so why not go and swim in the sea? So this is the back of Mitsis Rhodos Maris Hotel. So as you see, during summertime there is a restaurant bar kind of thing here in the area of Rhodos Mitsis Maris, and here we can also access the beach, and this is the second water sports place also in Kiotari. So quick peek to the beach. Basically in this beach you can like get some yacht trips, boat trips. Also the speedboat is going from here to Lindos and also Simi, so red speedboat. And you can play different games here, and also they have like pop-up bars here where you can buy drinks, and everything is full of umbrellas and sunbeds. So this is the main beach in Kiotari, or the largest one. So let's go forward and see what's here. And also we have a little train going around Kiotari. The ticket is €7 for adult and €5 for children, and they also stop somewhere around here. So they go around Kiotari and you can see all the nice Kiotari places on a train trip, and you can also hop off and hop on whenever you like. So about 500 meters from Il Ponte restaurant, we have the one and only Moosa Beach Club and cocktail lounge. So basically let's see, no cars. So Moosa Beach Bar is a very nice place where you can chill, relax. You can get some shisha. It has like music view on the beach, and they know how to do the cocktails. So from the Moosa Beach Club, if you go up the hill 50 meters, you reach the shopping area where you can find all kinds of souvenirs and also rent a scooter and car. Here's a supermarket. At the moment everything is closed. Everything is being fixed, and new villas and apartments are being built. It's a great holiday place, so they build and build and build. Kiotari is located 60 kilometers from Rhodos city and also 60 kilometers from airport. So if you need a transfer, then I suggest going to loonietravels.com and see our secret deals, because I have a partnership that I trust, and they can offer the best price for my loyal viewers. So all you have to do is put in Looney Travels name while you send an email or make a booking. So let's go up the hill and see. We have huge hotels here. So here we have Princess Adriana Hotel and HH Hotel Group hotel right here, and one Monstrum is being built. So there will be a new hotel soon here. Let's first go to the second supermarket in Kiotari that is opened all year round. So little hard to access at the moment because building. But here is the first supermarket in Gyötari. So basically at the beginning of Gyötari there is a supermarket, and the other one is at the end of Gyötari, which is Sofos supermarket. So you can find everything, food, beer, chips, everything here. Whoa, this hotel is nice, I think, when they get it ready. So let's see and hope for the best. Yeah. In Greece, it's interesting that in summertime everyone is working in a restaurant or hotel, but during winter time they are all building and painting and so on. So this is Princess Adriana luxury hotel, 5 stars. So I hope this season I can visit some of the hotels and make a review out of it. I have to be friendly with locals so they let me in. But this is a luxury hotel. And also from this hotel you can rent a car from George Rent-A-Car company. They open a little pop-up there where you can rent a car. Lots of apartments, villas. And this is Rhodos, Mitsis Rhodos village. So they all have similar names here, so it's easy to confuse yourself which is which. Mitsis Rhodos village. Here you have a taxi stand. The taxi prices are fixed. So let me go there and show you the prices. Gyötari has a really good bus connection to, for example, Lindos or Rhodos city. But as you can see, these are the prices for taxi, and they are mostly fixed. Lindos 25 euros. Bus ticket to Lindos is 3 euros. So there are quite many buses going from Gyötari, and it's easy to use. Safari Adventure Quad, Zambika rent. You can rent scooters here, quads, health and beauty shops, jewelry, sandals, Blue Dreams, cocktail bar, Oasis Rent-A-Car, tourist shop, supermarket. And if you go down from here, you can see Moosa Beach Bar right there, 50 meters. So everything is close by, and quite popular adventure is Safari Quad Trip Adventures, where you can go to drive with quad, and it's like group quad like adventure. A little bit forward, we are reaching the Mitsis Rhodos Maris hotel again. So this was the tour for this part. So we will have a third part also, third video. So sorry, I can't talk because I have to watch where I am driving. So we are at the starting point, and we have one more video coming up from the last part of Kiotari, where we can see some luxury villas and 5-star villas and some beaches also. So this is Mrs. Rhodos Maris. This was the second part of mini Kiotari tour. So if you didn't watch our first video, then go and check it out. And also we have part 3 coming up, where we have some luxury hotels and some beaches. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.